guys my dad's sleeping.
Oh my god.
What noises girls make in bed?
Well,
Oh,
this one is for Savannah. Hold on, who's this for? Lauren and Emmy.
Yeah.
I don't know who Emmy is.
Oh.
And Lauren.
No.
Okay, but what noise is girl making in bed? I don't even fucking know. Y'all are weird.
Oh my god. You got the screamers.
You got the screamers. You got the complete no saying anything. You got the ones that say "What's for dinner?" That, like the middle. I don't.
Say
You got
my
the ones that
name.
fall asleep.
Say my name. Say my name.
Ones
Say
that
my
fall
name.
You got the ones that fall asleep.
No, those ones that fall asleep. Okay, but
I mean, just watch some porn. I'm pretty sure that'll pretty much sum it up for you.
if you watch a
Because they make it look
porno with a black girl, you might hear monkeys howling.
And a foot on their face.
And a foot on their face as me and Nathan have figured out.
No, me and Nathan have figured
Whoa.
out. Whoa. Justin, you were telling me about this the other day. Let's not bring
Nathan, you were there. Shut up. You know
I was
what I'm
there.
talking about.
But
But anyways, I mean, you guys can make whatever noise you want as long as it feels right. I don't know.
Who feels funny?
Don't be. I mean,
Just don't be awkward.
don't be.
Nathan,
awkward,
you're the
though.
awkward one.
What do I say?
I mean, you can't sound like a pig. You can be like, start doing that shit. I'm fucking jumping out the window. if you start going, then I'm gone. I'm gonna pull out, finish,
Oh my god.
and then I'm gonna leave.
Transformers,
Punch
roll
you in the
out.
back of the head.
No, I'm not.
Do Optimus Prime style.
Transformers,
roll out.
Roll out, and you just gone.
Oh shit. He got
Oh, I don't really
Anything
know what
else?
to say. Just end it.